Shame may be the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure I regret. Maybe the treasure or the price I have to pay. Shame may be the song that summer sing, maybe the tears that autumn brings, maybe the 100 different things within the measure of the day. Shame may be the beauty or the best, maybe the feeling or the face may turn its day into heaven or a hill. Shame may be the mirror of my dreams, a smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may said inside her shell. She who always seems so happy and proud, whose eyes speak so private and so proud. No one's allowed to say them when they cry. Shame may be the love that I hope to last, may come to me from shadows of the past that I remember till the day I die. Shame may be the reason I survive, the wonder for I'm alive, the one I care for through the red and rainy years. Me, I'll take her laughter and her tears and make them all my souvenirs. Maybe the ghost I got to be, the meaning of my life is she.